What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots, back with another knot tutorial. Today we are going to be showing you how to tie Abok 152, which is the bowstring knot doubled. So this is superior to the inferior bowstring knot just because of the dual loop nature that it has around the top of the bow. So let's get into it. We don't have a bow here, but we have an anchor point we're going to use, and let's show you how to tie it. So the bowstring knot starts with a simple overhand knot. So what that's going to look like is we're going to come here, make our loop, and we're going to go through our loop. That's it. And for this knot, you're going to need a bit of slack out the other side. So take some slack there. Maybe I'll take a little bit more, just to be sure. All right. So this whole knot is based around this overhand knot, and then as you can see here, we're going to take this right here. So this part of the overhand knot is going to slide out here, and that's where the loops are going to come through. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our working end around our anchor point once, okay? And like I said, we're going to take that first lift, okay? We're going to lift up this first piece of the overhand knot. We're just going to slide this working end through that, okay? Just like that, okay? And then we're going to tighten that up a little bit. Same thing around the loop here. That first loop there, I'm going to go through that, okay? And then now we have these two loops around, about the same size. And then to tighten here, almost as like a bow line kind of configuration at the bottom, we're just going to pull the standing in and push this little bow line type deal here around, okay? And then there's both loops tightened up. So what this does is we kind of altered this overhand knot by feeding these loops through right here. So what happens is when I put tension on the standing end here, it's going to tighten this part of the knot here, and that is actually looping around and is this right here. So this whole circle around both loops, as tension tightens the standing end, it tightens on the working end, which is also holding both loops there in place. So it's why it was used to tie bowstrings, because the tension from the bow is holding those working ends and just holding it. But it is superior to the inferior bowstring knot because of the dual loop nature. But it's longer, it takes a little bit longer to tie, and if your bowstring is too thick and there's no room at the top for two loops, then you can go with the bowstring knot. Anyways, tutorial's getting long. Hope you liked it. Yeah, this is our third video in the occupational chapter of the Ashley's Book of Knots. So make sure you follow us along. Kind of interesting how these different knots have been used back in the day, as archery is one of the first occupations that they have listed in the Ashley's Book of Knots. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, YouTube. If you're interested in following us in this series, we have the Ashley's Book of Knots in the video description. All affiliate proceeds go towards supporting our channel. Thanks, and have a blessed day.